Owen, put your last name on, please. Mikhail, can you put your last name also, please? All right, it appears that we have most of you, so I'm going to get into some instructions. Here's how today's going to go. I just want to make a short agenda for you so you can see what we're going to be doing in the order that you should be doing it in. All right, so hopefully you guys can see this blank Word document. So here's how this 43-minute session is going to work here, okay? So first off, you guys have your quiz. I'll talk about instructions on that in a second. After you take your quiz, then you need to follow the instructions to sign up for an e-textbook, okay, online textbook. And then after you do that, you need to download my notes format, which is also on Canvas. And then you're going to be responsible for reading out of the textbook pages 97 to 110 and taking notes over the weekend. Okay. I will explain notes if everyone gets the quiz done during this period. If people do not, you're going to need to follow the instructions on there. Real briefly here. So under modules, when you're done with your quiz, this module's getting long. Okay. So this is going to be your quiz. I haven't published it yet, so you won't be able to see it, but you will in a second. Then once you're done with that, this says AP World History Digital Textbook Access. So click on that, and these instructions, if you follow them correctly, these instructions work perfectly. You are going to have to use your own email address, not a school related address. So do not try to use student ad or whatever, okay? Personal email when you do this. It might look confusing, but it works perfect. I tried it yesterday with my own Gmail account. Okay, that'll give you access to the textbook, and then here's the assignment. Oh, here's the assignment, and if you click on this, you'll download the Word document for you, and this is how I'm going to have you guys take notes. So put your name, your page number, and then as you go through the notes, when you see one of the 6 themes pop up, you will put the page number and then just a main bullet point or summary here, and then continue to go down that way. It's probably easier by hand, honestly, but you can also do it on the computer. And then at the end, there is key terms and definitions. So you want to just put word and then the definition if you think it's important. They do have bolded words, and then a summarization statement is 2 or 3 sentences of what you read, summarized. Okay, so that's what you'll do over the weekend. If you get done early today, you can obviously do that. Okay, now I know you're all studying for this map quiz. Before you take it, I want to make sure you guys are aware that the terms that were on the sheet, this is exactly how you need to spell them. Okay. So I just took the quiz to make sure a third time to make sure it was right. So if it says Andes, you need to put ANDES, capital A. If it says Urals, capital URALS. Okay. Make sure you're capitalizing all of the words and spelling them correctly. Okay. Everyone good with that? Is there any final questions before I publish this bad boy and let you guys?
I have a question.
Yeah.
On like the sheet that you just showed, at the top of it on the Google Doc thing, it said that there was a word bank. Is there going to be one?
If you have one in front of you, I can't take it away from you. I'm not physically there.
Okay.
How's that?
And Oh,
On
sorry.
the word, you're fine. On the word sheet, on the word sheet, it says one of like there's like abbreviations for some of them, like the Appalachian Mountains. Like, are we allowed to just put like Alps?
It is Alps. The Alps are a mountain range in Europe,
Oh, okay.
Central Western Europe. Not the Appalachian Mountains. Sorry.
Oh, no, it's okay.
Yeah. That's okay. Don't panic. You'll be all right.
I have a question.
Huh?
For the rivers, so we the only thing we just have to put is like, for example, Amazon. We won't have to say Amazon River.
Oh, just Amazon.
Okay.
And for the mountains, you don't put Hindu Kush Mountains or Himalayas mountains. You just put Himalayas.
Okay.
But for the bodies of water, you're gonna have to put Indian Ocean, Sea of Japan, Bering Sea. Okay.
Okay.
All right, you guys cool with that?
Wait,
All right,
I
I
have
need
one
everybody
question.
to make sure that their video's on so I can see your beautiful faces. Do I have everyone here? Nice. You guys look so happy. I'm happy too. You know, it's Friday. So, all right, keep your videos on. I'll be around for questions, obviously. If you don't want to ask the whole group, just toss it into the chat. And I'm going to go ahead and stop the share, and you guys know what you need to do. Once everyone's finished, I will go in more depth about the textbook and how to make sure you have access to that, and then you're reading for this weekend. Okay? All right. It should be live as of right now. Good luck.